The most beautiful things in the world come from nature. Have you ever thought about bringing nature into your home? Being immersed in nature brings happiness, calmness and creativity. I was lucky to be born here in Cumbria, amongst the hills, the lakes, the mountains, the bracken, and I have drawn on all these exquisite shapes and wonderful things from my fabric designs. I found these beautiful leaves, ferns and flowers out on country walks. I brought them back, pressed them, and now I'm playing with them, organising and looking at their beautiful, fine and delicate shapes, completely mesmerising. So the next stage is for me to make silk screens and print them onto sustainable eco cloth. These designs can bring a handcrafted, timeless look to any space. My designs bring nature into your home. Go to my website to explore how my fabrics bring the outdoors in.